Welcome to my presentation of my Instagram Auto DM bot, which goes through various profiles and various posts and collects usernames and sends DMs individual to them based on a hashtag. Now, for example, if I go to hashtag coding, um, my bot can go through various posts, and while it goes through the various posts, it collects the usernames and stores it in a temporary memory, and then after it goes through a select number of posts, for example 5, 4, 10, or even a custom number that you desire, it will stop going through the remaining posts and automatically start sending DMs to the user of the post it has collected. And also it won't send if there are multiple users whose posts have ranked on the search page. Only one DM will be sent per user, so you won't be sending duplicates to any users. So that's basically how my bot works. It's just a capture and a DM of various hashtags. Now let me go with the demo to give more clarity. So as you can see over here, it's the extension, so you have to use it as an extension. So when you look here, you see it's the real time end-to-end DM flow. Now I when you start the auto DM, it will give you real time updates of how many users, how many profiles, how much processing has been done, how many DMs have been sent. So everything will be displayed over here, which is quite useful. Over here you can see it's a DM message box where you can type your message, which will be shared as a DM, which will be sent as a DM to the users, so that you can connect with them. And here is the profiles to scan. So there are some default values that you can select, or if you don't find the desired number, you can just go custom and you can type your desired number, and as you can see, it gets updated here also. So um and now these two buttons, they are a feature which I will implement in the future, which is basically infinite DMs and stopping whenever desired, and then infinite posts, going through infinite posts and then stopping it and sending DMs. So as you can see, it's a premium feature as of now. So this is a part we are working on. As you can see, there's a start and stop button. So as soon as you click start, um, you will go through the posts, and the process will go as I had mentioned earlier. Stop, it terminates the entire process, but if you stop it, it won't send any DMs. So if I suppose, let's say it went through 3 posts, and I had entered 23. If I click stop, it will just stop everything and it will not send any DMs. So over here is a fixed bot. So sometimes the bot might malfunction, and you might not be able to get out of a particular part of the bot process. For example, in case due to some malfunction happens where your bot is sending DM and you're not able to stop it, so if you just click this, everything will reset and it will become easy for you. Here it just shows whether the bot has stopped. It shows the progress of the bot when the bot is online and it is doing something. So when it shows stopped, it just shows that the bot is not doing anything as of that second, and it sometimes shows stopped and then it again comes back to started. So it just shows what the bot is doing at that particular moment. Activity level. So as of now, this also is a premium feature, so this just makes it faster. As of now, we are not using this since it is not optimized to manage the different speeds. So as of now, this is a premium feature which we will implement in the future. Now getting back to the DM flow, we can have uh, three posts to so that it's faster right now. So right now, all I have to do now is just click start, and the process will start automatically. From now on, there is nothing you have to do. You have just sit back and watch the bot do its magic. So as of now, the real time DM flow is is being updated. So it's just refreshing, so when it refreshes it just reverts to 0 and then it shows the live value. So right now it has gone through one post, now it is currently at the second post, and you can also see queue size is 2. Now after it closes the post, it updates the number. So now queue size should show 2 and profile should show 1 out of 3. Yes, profile 2 out of 3, queue size 1, process 2. Now again it's going to the last post, which is the third post, and you can see users process 3 and 3 out of 3 profiles have been scanned and 3 users have been collected. Now the DM process begins. Now as you can see, Instagram has updated the website, so DMs will appear over here. Now in case you want to see what's happening, you can just modify the size of the interface. You can make it very small and you can see what the bot is typing. So you can adjust the size of the auto DM bot and you can see an automated message has been sent. So and also you can add whatever message you want and it will be sent. So I will give the demo of that as well. So this is the this is the second user, and now you can see it will open the messages and send a DM. So it opened the message bar on the bottom, and now it's typing the message and now sent. Okay, now the second user has received his DM and this has updated to 2. DM sent 2. Now it has to go to the third user. Now as it goes to the third user, it follows the same process. Message button clicked, and then again the message button on the bottom has been clicked, and now the message is being typed and now sent. Now it has been completed and you can see DM sent 3. If you see the console, done, everything is done. What it should look like, just a second, what it should look like when you change the default message. So let's say hello, do you want to connect with me? Now as you can see, I have entered this. Let's change it to 2 so that you can send 2 messages and it will be fast too. So now that we've selected 2 messages, I'll click on start real DM. Now it will start processing and the DM flow will also update. And now it's in the second post. As you can see, it's going it's collecting the user profile. Now it has collected it. Now it should start with the DM. Now it clicks on the message button and clicks on so when it clicks on the message button, this opens up and it starts typing the new message. So let me move this up to make it visible. So you can see the message is hello, do you want to connect with me? So it has sent the new message and you can see the previous message also. Now it should go to the next user profile. It should go to the next page. Now it's in the next page. of the next user. So it should click on message and then open up the chat, and now it should send the new message. Okay, so as you can see, the message has been sent and the entire thing has been completed. So all what you can do now is just clear everything. If you want to go for a fresh start, just clear everything and go back, so that anything that's going on in the background can be terminated. So that's it. So as of now, this is what my bot can do. It can help you save time by just typing a hashtag. For example, you are doing an ad campaign or something, and people who share posts of hashtags, for example, hashtag coding, hashtag uh, jobs, hashtag some education. So you can just look at those hashtags, and you can pinpoint various users who post on those particular hashtags. So if you want to market something, you can just automate your bot, and they can just send the DMs, and you can connect with those users who are interested, and that can save you a lot of time. Rather than sitting and searching individually, your bot can do it all. So this is my project, and I would like to thank Signimus Technologies for providing me the opportunity to build this project, and also helping me if I had any queries, helping me and create the best project that I could build. Thank you.